So is this your very first cruise ever? Or perhaps it's the first time going to a cruise port or the first time on a specific cruise ship and you have questions. Well, I got places where you can get answers. Chris here with High Seas Cruising and welcome to today's video. All right, today is day 26 on our cruise countdown. 26 more days till we get on board the Carnival Breeze. So today's cruise tip is going to be join a cruise group. So you can either go on Facebook, you can go on Reddit. There are tons of blogs out there. One of the ones that I particularly like is the Shipmate, which is an app that you can download from either Android or the Apple Store. And on Shipmate, you simply go in there and put the cruise that you're going to be going on, and it will actually populate questions and answers for you specific to the ports and the ships and everything you are going to go on. Now, I am not affiliated with any of these sites or locations, so I just want to put that out there. I simply share information to make cruising better for us all and for us all to have a better cruise experience. So I definitely recommend that you join one of these groups. Like I said, go to Facebook and join any kind of cruising group on there. You can go to Reddit and get on cruising groups. You can simply Google cruise groups and you will get several selections to choose from. There are different apps. You can use the Shipmate app, which is the one that's where you will find me at on there. And if you have any specific questions about cruising, perhaps a particular port or a particular excursion that you want to go on, a particular ship, you can simply type your question in there, and I guarantee you that cruisers that have been there before will help you out with answers, because experienced cruisers love to share their experiences with new people. They want to get the information out there. They want to tell you about the best deal that they've found. They want to tell you about the best locations to go to, some of the best spots on the ship. So if you are new to cruising, or like I said, new to any location, perhaps a new ship, whatever the case may be, and you have yourself questions, join a cruise group, ask your questions, and I guarantee there are and experienced cruisers will answer those questions for you and always are willing to help you out. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.